So we got a mark at where the footing is in relation to the column, so that's where we are. Our frame of reference for pushing the column down is when that is at grade, is when we know we are close or where we need to be. We're lining up the driver. So we got rollers on the bottom that we make sure are up against the column. Our driver attachment at the top. See, we gotta adjust it a little bit. And then we have torpedo levels to make sure we are level side to side and front to back. There we are. We are in. So now we get it in position. We clamp it. Let me pull this nail out here, and then screw it to it, and then we start.
The wall being off of this side of it, so on this side it's not really a lot of it's off.
We're gonna start driving it. And then we attach the screws where the holes are pre-punched in the column.